What up, what up, what up? It's your man Tech Mind coming at you with another banger that could put some money in your pocket. Y'all know what it is, man. Do me a favor, hit that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get these joints early. I'm finding these new dapps. As soon as I get them, I'm putting them on here for y'all, so don't miss out, because y'all know these new dapps, y'all, they don't last long. You got to jump on them early. Anyway, today y'all, we back with the BNB Factory. I just want to give y'all an update and let y'all know that everything is running smooth. Yesterday, we heard we had a little confusion about this joint, but it wasn't this joint. It was another joint by the same name as BNB Factory. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But for now, we're going to talk about what's going on. The BNB Factory is running. I took from it yesterday after we heard that little confusion and got my money with no problem. So today, I'm definitely gonna recompound. And I'm gonna show y'all while I'm doing that right now. As you can see, I got 3.5 million. I'm gonna reinvest this joint right now. Hit this button. There it is. My joint comes up. No problems with this joint. And that money will be reinvested in there. I should have a few more million. No, maybe not million. I should have a few more miners after this. I got 3.5 now. Let's see what we got now. As you can see, the page just refreshed, and now I got 4.1 million mining machines. Now, let's talk about the little problem we had yesterday, because I don't want new investors to come in and end up running from the project because of this right here. Okay, so there was a little confusion, y'all, man. My man Charlie Moonbull, he came in here, he was trying to warn the community, stating that, basically the site had got hacked, but it wasn't this site, y'all. It was another one by the name of BNB Factory. Now, this comment right here is a very long comment, and it's very visual in the Telegram. So as you can see how long it is, so people is going to see this first. Now, the answer to this is not so visual. You basically got to search a little harder to find the answer, and here is the answer right here, where the dev is basically explaining to him that that wasn't our site. It's not the same contract. It says, right here you can see, is this the same BUSD? Hello, I'm guessing you're speaking about an other platform. This is not our contract. Nobody deposited these amounts in our factory. Which one do you describe? So basically, this had caused a little confusion with us yesterday, because we were saying, man, the site had got hacked already, and the money's just gonna get swallowed up. But that's not so. It's not the same site. It's not the same contract. This BNB Factory right here is good, y'all. As I just showed y'all, I just recompounded. And while we're on the topic of Telegram, I would appreciate it if y'all could come on over to the Crypto Corner, stop by and join the community. This is where we discuss different cryptos and different coins, and we discuss even issues like this. Now, my man Akon is the one that introduced us to this, and he did his due diligence. He definitely did his research, because even when I saw the first comment, I didn't see the answer because it was hidden in the first comment was so big, so I kind of panicked. But Akon wasn't worried, because he had already did his research and he showed us the answer to it. So big up to Akon, and for that, definitely, man, I'm going to put another 2.5 up in here under Akon's link. You understand what I'm saying? Shout out to Akon, man. This one looks like a good one, man. We're going to promote this joint, y'all. You know what I mean? We're going to jump in on this. As you can see, the contract even went up since we came in here. It's 3.35. I think it was 1.8 when I got in the other night. So the contract is moving already, y'all. So, this looks like a good one for us to jump in and build up and eat a little food off of this, man. It's BNBs, y'all. Yeah, man. So I'm going to put another 2.5 up in this joint under the homie's link, because I believe in this joint. So definitely gonna try to get in a little bit better than I'm already at. Try to get at least a BNB on this before it's all over. Okay, so what do I do now? I forgot. Okay, so we just going up here, and I'm gonna add a 0.25. I'm gonna press buy machines. That's all you gotta do to get in here, y'all. Approve your BUSDs, buy your machines. And there you go, y'all. Another 2.5 going up in there. we are good to go. Yo, this looks like a banger, y'all. You know what I mean? We're gonna see how this thing gonna keep moving. Let me see how many miners I'm gonna have now. Whoa, that's about 7.3 million miners. That's about it for me. Remember, y'all, this ain't no financial advice. It's just me showing y'all what we doing over here. And if you see that it could work for you, or you think that it could work for you, be my guest. The link is in the description, y'all. Shout out to the bro Akon who introduced us to this. This looks like a winner, y'all. We on it.